This video is like a spoon.
10.
It's about a
9,
young musician
8,
who wanted to rejuvenate his
6,
violin playing
5,
abilities after
4,
Sapa made him abandon it for nearly 2 years. This is Alex Ugwu, and these are his nails. Though beautiful they are, no one can play the violin with those daggers. So, though beautiful they are, he had to cut them off.
No, God!
Yes.
No, God, please, no!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
No!
I fucking said yes. Well, this is what it turned into. And yes, I know, it's sad. But it gets even worse. He collects a violin from a hoodlumic friend and takes the violin into his cave, the sacred ground. And while in there, he opens the violin gloriously, only to discover the third string is missing. Trying to repair the violin, he ran through 2 packs of strings, but sadly, the 2 new strings he tried both ended up broken.
Emotional damage!
But his spirit was not broken, cause he threw the fucked up strings to the floor and played the damn violin like that. Yeah, he kept playing and playing and playing. And in fact, after
2 hours later,
he gave a whole new meaning to the wise saying, just a play.